So I know you might not know this, but you can actually get some real life rewards from Coinmarketcap. You don't really have to spend all your time in Coinmarketcap trying to grind this reward. It doesn't work like that. And also, you don't have to pay a single dime. Now, this video is not for you if you're a person who is not interested in any kind of rewards or any kind of free money or free anything in the crypto market. But if you're a person who is actually interested in getting something for free from the market as well, you don't have to pay every single time. There's some things you can actually get for free. There's some things you can actually be able to get a huge discount on when you actually do what I'm about to share with you in this video. And you can access this using Coinmarketcap. And I know that a lot of you don't know about this. This is why I'm bringing it to you in this particular content. So this video is not going to be long. We're just going to go through it as quickly as possible, and then I'm gonna see you guys in the next one after that. But before we continue, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. My name is Emmanuel, and what I do is teach you different ways to actually make money on the internet, especially using cryptocurrency. So if you're a person who's actually interested in something like that, kindly go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and also go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and get us growing more and more every single day. Okay, so doing that is actually gonna give me the vibe, or the zeal rather, to actually go ahead and create more content for you guys, because it definitely will show me that you guys are actually interested in the content I'm giving to you guys. All right, so I believe you've done that already. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is obviously your Coinmarketcap account. It's entirely free to do, but for you to be able to do what I'm about to share with you now, it's advisable that you go ahead and sign up an account. It's free to do that. So if you want, you can use my own personal invitation link. There's no special benefit I'm getting from this, right? But if you want, I'm gonna leave the link in the featured site once you go through the link in the description of this video. Okay, so what you have to do is, once you click on that link, it's gonna bring you over to Coinmarketcap. Then the easiest way I can tell you to sign up, right, is to go ahead and click on this diamond icon right here, or you can simply go ahead and click on the hamburger sign over here. And once you do that, it's going to bring you over to this page where it says log in or create an account, right? And what you decide to do is go, just go ahead and click on that. It's going to give you the option to sign up using your Google account or your Apple ID or your Binance account or anything. I personally advise people to use your Google account. I mean, there's no need for you to be using your Binance account for something like this, right? So go ahead and click on continue with Google. All right, so for the sake of privacy, I actually won't show my Google account, stuff like that. But once you go ahead and click on that, it's gonna take you straight into the platform, nothing more. Just go ahead and click on Google, choose on the Gmail address you want to sign in with, and there you are in. It doesn't even require you to put a password or anything. Okay, so once you're done with that, the next thing to do is go ahead and click on this diamond icon right here. So once you click on the diamond icon right here, it's gonna bring you over to this place. So it's gonna tell you to visit the diamonds. It's basically telling you the amount of diamonds you can earn over here. You can see you can earn 3 consecutive days 10 diamonds, another 3 consecutive days 20 diamonds, and the final 7-day 50 diamonds, and the whole process refreshes again. So let's go ahead and visit diamonds, right? So this is an account I just created right now. You can see I have 0 diamond right here. There's nothing I've done over here. Just like I told you, first day you get 10 diamonds, second day you get 10 diamonds, third day 10 diamonds, fourth day 20, and on the 7th day you get 50 diamonds. Now there are also additional ways you can also get in more diamonds as well. So if you have the app, Coinmarketcap app, you can also get diamonds for 3 days, right? You can get day 110, day 210, day 310. You can also get more diamonds by going to these options over here, right? Go ahead and go to the vote page. It's also helpful if you're a person who wants a particular cryptocurrency to get listed, and maybe you already purchased those cryptocurrency in the ICO or IPO and wanted to get listed somewhere so you can be able to make a lot of money from there. You can also go to these pages and try and see if they're being voted, and you also vote on them as well like that. You can also predict prices, and you also get extra diamonds, right? Now, I know you might be asking, what am I going to be doing with these diamonds? What is the essence of actually getting these diamonds? So here's the thing. we're gonna go ahead and click on diamond rewards. So once I click on this diamond rewards, it's gonna show us different rewards you can gain from this diamond. This is what I told you. You can actually get about 25% discount on this particular product over here called Gunboat, right? I think this Gunboat is something like a crypto platform that can automate your trades or stuff like that. You can get 25% discount, right? And it says 25% off lifetime automated strategies will come. So this is basically lifetime, right? They have the another one over here. This is a conference. Sorry if you're actually hearing the sound of some fireworks. It just Halloween just passed and people are still obviously in this celebration period, right? So sorry about that. So basically what you're gonna be seeing these let's say this IBW over here, it's IBW 2025 conference. I personally don't really know what this particular conference is all about, but if a person who actually wishes to attend to this conference in India, maybe you actually want to do this and somehow you're able to be offered a 15% off to be able to get your ticket for this conference, then I don't see why you shouldn't go for it. And it's actually very cheap. It's just 150 coins, very very cheap, right? So if you've actually been doing this before, you can just buy this. You can see a lot of people have already bought it, so it's not like people are not really using this, right? So they supplied a total of 5,000 and 4,906 people have already bought it, right? So you can see the other one, they supply a total of 1,840 people have already bought it. You can buy it once you have the enough diamonds to buy it, right? They have another one over here, says Soft Shack 1-2 year plan. So you can buy 2 year plan, 90% off. Wow, 90% off Soft Shack, right? So if you're a person who actually wants to use this, I think this has to do with something like VPN, so antivirus and so many other things. So if you're actually a person who actually patronizes things like this, you can actually get 90% off from this plus extra 4 months, and this is 2 year plan. Wow, that's much. So we have another soft shack over here. We have one BTC jackpot, secure free pick. So let's see what's this one. This one is saying 5 peak access to mine, 5 free mining chances for new users, plus stand to win 1 BTC for just 100 diamonds. Somebody is really going to win more than $100,000 for just 100 diamonds. So basically, it might not be you, it might not be that lucky, but the thing here is, out of these 20,000 people or tickets, somebody is actually gonna win this. As funny as it is, right? So it says over here, stand to win. It means it is not guaranteed you will get 1 BTC, but over here it's guaranteed 5 free mining chances for new users, right? I will say new users, you get 5 free mining chances free of charge, right? And you stand a chance to get 1 BTC if you are the lucky person in these 20,000 individuals right here. Imagine you being the lucky person getting extra $100,000 just like that. I mean, it's something. So you can actually go ahead. They have the crypto wallet over here. They have several things you can actually engage in. So it says over here, free entries for $10,000 and max prize pool. So you claim 100 free entries to earn a max monthly $100 draw. So you can also enter this one as well if you actually have enough diamonds and stuff like that. Okay, so there are lots of things you can actually do over here. There are ones that have already passed. So for you to be able to know if it's still active or if it has passed, all you have to do is to take a look at the supply and the already bought. So the one over here is the supply, and the one over here is the one people have already bought. Same thing goes for every single one of these things over here, right? So that's actually it. So once you've gotten it, you can be able to find it in your rewards. Obviously, I haven't gotten anything over here. So to be able to claim your diamond, all you have to do is come over here and simply click on, you can click on collect diamonds over here. It's gonna load. It says over here you have collected 10 daily diamonds. I'm like, okay, yes please, right? So just leave it over there. So currently right now it's gonna be remaining about 5 hours for the new day to come up for my area. So once that time refreshes, the 12 a.m. in the morning, that's midnight, the next day, the next diamond is gonna unlock, and I can claim it anytime during that next day, right? And the other one will be available another 12 a.m. in the midnight the next day as well. So consecutively, if you miss any single one of these days, any single one, let's say you claim 1, claim 2, and you claim 3, and you miss 4, that means the next time you come back, you have no other choice but to start from beginning and start claiming 1 again, right? It takes you less than 2. As a matter of fact, it takes you less than 1 minute to actually come over here and claim this and just move on your day. And then who knows what chance to win something that's going to pop up in the future, and you'll be able to claim from that as well. Anyway, that's actually it. I don't really want to waste your time anymore in this video. I hope you already subscribed to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. See you in the next one.